Hello folks, this is Mark and Greg from Heartland Honda in Springdale, Arkansas. It's December 2020 and we're going to go over a Gator Trax with a Mud Buddy motor on it today. A little bit about Heartland Honda. We're a family owned and operated dealership in Springdale, Arkansas. We've been in business since 1996. We're a fully authorized Honda Marine dealer, Honda Power Equipment, and a Level 5 Honda Power Sports dealer. So enough about us. Let's meet Mark here and let's go over this Gator Trax with the Mud Buddy. Tell us a little bit about it, Mark.
Alright guys, what we're looking at here is a 1754 hunt deck Gator Trax. 19-inch size on this boat. This boat's purpose built for your duck hunters, all purpose. It does have a removable front deck. I'll go over here in a sec, but can do some fishing out of this boat too, but its main purpose is going to be for the duck hunter. It's got the Mud Buddy HDR with reverse mud motor with the new 3-blade Raptor prop on it. Tilt and trim on it. This thing is a workhorse. It will plow through all the muck and mud and everything and get you to the ducks when you need to get there. It's got the nav lights on this, the extreme nav lights, so you're not going to tear this thing up. You can hit it on trees, and the best part is you don't have to worry about misplacing because it just locks down right there with a ram mount. Super slick. This boat is all got the main floor in it with Hydroturf on all the flat surfaces, so nothing's going to get lost in there. Nice and smooth to walk around in. It's got a waterproof day box here for all your gear. Nothing's going to get wet in there. You can put shotgun shells, whatnot, whatever you need in there. 9-gallon fuel tank, so plenty of time to run around in the marsh or the river, whatever you need to do there. Catwalks on both sides. That side's an open catwalk, so you can store your spud poles or gear or whatever you need under there nice and conveniently. And that one also has a day box. I'll show you the day box up on front too. They're super slick. This one's got an enclosed catwalk, so the enclosed catwalk's going to give you access to be able to put guns, fishing poles, paddle, whatever gear you need in there, and it's out of the way. You're not going to worry about tripping over it, life jackets, whatnot. And there are 2 hatches to be able to get into that. Back here at the driver's too, you've got a grab handle here. It can go either way, so personal preference, whatever, goes in there like that too, or you can take it out and get it out of the way. Switch panels right here, handy, so if you're sitting on it, you got your plug 12-volt outlets, so you can run spotlights from back here, but you've got lights here for nav lights and different switches that you can put some different stuff on. This one is set up with seat bases, so if you want to hunt out of it, you can do that, or if you're fishing out of it, whatever, but you can obviously remove them real easy. Another access to the catwalk right here, just same catwalk though, just more access so it's easy and convenient. This is the removable 2-foot deck with the day box, and it's just a little dry storage day box. You can put shotgun shells in it, fishing stuff, whatever you want for the day, wallet, keys, anything. And it's a lockable one too. But this comes out, two little screws right here. You just take these wings off and 2 screws right there, and this pops out for you duck hunters who want to throw decoys or gear, whatever, people, dogs, whatever. This pops out in 2 seconds, sets in the garage. Pop it back in when you're fishing. Up front, this is just more dry storage, and if it's set up with the trolling motor mount, and it's got 2 trolling motor trays in there, so you can run trolling motors. Once again, you can put more life jackets, gear in there also, and it's lockable dry storage. And on up to the front, it's got set up with the 60-watt LED spotlight, and it is removable, so if you don't need it and don't want it in, it pops right out and can go into storage, but super bright and lets you see where you're going when you're running. This is a hybrid rig boat, so it's going to do decent in some little bit rougher water with the 19-inch sides. So this is an all-around, but it will get shallow and it will get you to the ducks. Come check it out at Heartland Honda, Springdale, Arkansas.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. That's another Gator Trax from Heartland Honda. Come see us, check us out at heartlandhonda.com. Call or text or come by. Heartland Honda, Springdale, Arkansas. Thanks for watching.